Hi students, today you are going to take your mass and weight summative. So remember, make sure your first and last name is written at the top and the period that you have science. Your science teachers will fill in your score and your letter grade when you're finished. So part 1, it says Miss Wilrit is going to travel to the moon. The moon's gravity is far less than Earth's. Answer the following questions. So here's an image of Miss Wilrit, our principal. She is going to the moon, which we said has far less gravity. So question number 1, will Miss Wilrit's weight be more, less, or the same when she steps on a scale on the moon? You're going to circle more, less, or the same. Number 2, will Miss Wilrit's mass be more, less, or the same on the moon? You're going to circle more, less, or the same. All right, students, number 2. Will Miss Wilrit's clothes fit the same as they do on Earth? Her clothes. Why or why not? Be sure to use science vocabulary, all the science words that we used, your science vocab words from your vocab boxes. So first you're going to say, Miss Wilrit's clothes will fit on the moon or will not fit the same as they do on Earth because, and you're going to explain why. Okay, so press pause, press play when you're ready to go on. All right, students, part 2. The gravity on Earth is 1. The gravity on the moon is 0.16. The gravity on Jupiter is 2.6. Use this information to answer the questions below and make sure you use science vocabulary. So question number 4. How would your weight change if you were on the moon? So you would say, on the moon I would weigh blank because, so we're talking about the moon and your weight. How would your weight change if you were on Jupiter? On Jupiter, I would weigh blank because, and you're going to explain. Press pause, press play when you're ready to go on. All right, students, part 3. Identify or find the object in each box right here that has the most mass, the most. You must use science vocabulary in your answer, in your because. You must use the words that go with mass. So here you have a full 150 milliliter beaker. It is full of a liquid, and we colored that liquid blue for you. Here you have an empty beaker. Which one has the most mass? You're going to write that here. Full beaker or empty beaker, because why? All right, students. Number 2. Which one has more mass? The bowling ball or the soccer ball? You're going to write it in the blank and explain why using science vocabulary. Press pause and press play when you're ready to go on. All right, students, last one. You have a full 6-base lunch tray. And here you have an empty lunch tray. Okay, which one has the most mass? Write it on the line. And you're going to explain why using science vocabulary. Okay. Students, when you are finished, you need to double check your answers. Make sure your answers are exactly what you want. Ask your science teacher if you have any questions, and good luck.